Hi everybody, welcome to this video. And in this video I would like to review SuperOne. And if I had to describe SuperOne in one sentence, I would probably call it a startup in the gaming industry that is working on a gaming platform based on the blockchain technology, and they use the network marketing concept to raise funding. Right? So what is the basic idea behind the game? So players can join and play quiz games based on knowledge, right? So the basic idea is that you will be shown a series of different questions that you have to answer with yes or no. So you just swipe right or left. If it's yes, you swipe to the right. If it's no, you swipe to the left. And in this particular example, you will be asked, is this Rihanna or not? And there will be a series of different questions out of different categories, and the member with the most correct answers will win, right? So I'm simplifying a lot, but it will be there will be a lot more to it, right? You can play against other players, you can play tournaments, right? And you can win prizes. So this is the basic idea, and there is a demo version that you can test. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store, and basically test it, right? So this is what is called skill-based gaming. It's not gambling, right? It's skill-based gaming, which essentially means the more knowledge you have, the more likely you are to win and to earn money. So, and there will be many different categories players can choose from. There will be sports, there will be cars, there will be music, um, all sorts of things, animals like you can see here. So is this a male lion? And then you just have to say yes or no. So it will be pretty diverse as far as categories, and they will put a lot of focus on football, of course, because this is one of the biggest industries. Um, okay, so as far as the ownership of SuperOne, the team behind SuperOne is a group of highly experienced marketing and technology figures, right? So the team members have been actively involved in global branding, marketing, and crypto projects. And SuperOne is fully owned by Mojo, which is a gaming company based in London that was founded in 2013. If you follow this link, it will take you to LinkedIn, to their company profile, and you can read all about it and see all the team members. And the CEO and founder of Mojo is Andreas Christensen. He's a Norwegian native, and he runs both the Mojo business and SuperOne, right? So how does the business work? So SuperOne basically creates a member community and sells credits and tokens. So there are there are two aspects of it. So on the one hand, uh, there are members, right, that are creating a community, and they will buy credits to play the games, and they will also buy tokens to own the game, right? So they will buy shares, digital shares, which is basically tokens. And on the other hand, there is the revenue model. So SuperOne will be earning from games, from people playing games. They will also earn from advertising, and they will earn service fees. And this revenue will be shared across all the shareholders, all people that are owning tokens. With every 5 tokens you buy, you would, with every 5 credits you buy, you will get 1 token. But we will discuss it in a more detail. So this is and again, I would like to use the startup analogy here. So SuperOne is raising money to be able to launch the platform, and typically startups would talk to business angels, they would talk to venture capitalists, they will start seed investments, they will have seed rounds and all that stuff. But SuperOne has elected to go crowdfunding path or crowdsourcing path, and they use the network marketing structure, the network marketing concept, to facilitate this crowdfunding model, right? And uh, and the game will start. The game will launch once SuperOne has sold 10 million worth of spots, and we will talk about spots in a few seconds. Um, okay, so well, basically, if you decide to become a member, you will buy credits and tokens. So you will use credits to play, and you will use tokens to be a shareholder, right? So talking about being a shareholder, so you will basically buy tokens, which are ERC20 tokens based on the Ethereum blockchain, on the Ethereum smart contract, and the name of the token will be SRX. So you will be able to buy different packages. So this is the different packages that will be available. But as of now, as we speak, and today is March 26, right? Today we have the $100 package available and the $500 packages available. So the number of credits you see here, this is still based on the initial price of $0.01, but as we speak, the price is 0.029. So if you buy $100 package, you don't get 2,000 tokens, you get something like 3,200 tokens, right? And we will talk about the price algorithm in a few moments. So if every 5 credits you buy, you get 1 token, all right? And again, today we have $100 and $500 packages available. Okay, let's talk about the price algorithm. As I basically said, the price as we speak today is 0.029, and the price algorithm will follow a linear growth algorithm. So basically, the more tokens will be sold, the higher the price. Um, exactly. So as you can see, and the next graphic will probably explain it a bit better. So let's talk about the distribution model. Yeah, that one is better. So basically, so the price will grow in a linear manner, and if if the company will sell 100 million tokens, or 100 million tokens will be issued, the price will be zero point 0.5. If they issue 200 million tokens, the price will be $1, right? So so the price will be pretty much determined by the number of tokens sold until the token goes to public trading, and that will happen when the price is $2. And from here on, the market will determine the price. So basically, supply and demand, right? From $1 on, uh, exclusive trading will happen for priority members, right? So tokens can be traded for their own licensed exchange, right? Um, and then, as I said, with $2, when it hits $2, it will be available to the public. To the public. Okay. Yeah. So once the price hits $2, the game and the private exchange will launch simultaneously in probably in summer 2020. Um, so and this is when the passive income part of it starts, right? So today we cannot earn passively from the platform because it's not launched yet. We can only earn from referring people to the platform, but once the platform starts, you will start receiving passive income. So the company will share some of the revenue with the members, with all the token holders. As far as the financial outlook, well, you've seen the price progression already, but what you see here is also the monetization, which is basically the profitability of the company, and they project to be able to move from 12% profitability to 36% when the price hits $2, right? Um, yeah, you will also see what they project as far as the revenue, as far as profit, as far as market value, and as far as number of players. So they want to have 35 million players. Uh, okay. Yeah, so as far as the network plan, so this is what you can earn when you refer people to SuperOne, and there are three types of commissions you can earn. So one is the Super binary, one is the Super match, and one is Super code, right? So those are the three types of commissions you get, and you get the rewards instantly, real time, to your wallet, right? Because it's all managed by a smart contract based on the Ethereum blockchain, and you will also get instant notifications about your commissions. So you can basically start a Telegram bot that will notify you every time you receive a commission. Um, yeah, commissions are paid in Ethereum in real time. So this is the binary, and the binary pays 5% on the weaker leg with a 25 package. Well, as of now, we only have 100 and 500 packages available, and you will get 10% from your weaker leg, right? So if you refer someone today who is buying a $100 package, you get 10%. Um, exactly. Yeah. So and that's the super binary and the super match. So this is basically a matching bonus that you will receive. So matching means basically earnings, a percentage of earnings of your partners, right? And the super match concept will follow kind of a career system. So you will start as a star, and you have to have a pair. As you can see, that's one of the requirements, and you can work your way up the career ladder, right? So if you have two stars in your team, you will become a superstar. If you have two superstars in your team, you will become a director, and so on. So that goes on, and you can earn up to 40% super match bonus. So if you have a legend, let's say, in your team who is earning 250,000 a week, right? So you will easily earn 100,000 a week, which is 40% of his earnings, right? Um, the super code bonus, this might appear a bit complex to you, but actually it's not. So all you have to do is refer people. So first of all, you have to refer people that would also refer three people with 500 packs each, right? And the first three people that will manage that, they will they are not they will not make you earn super code rewards, but it starts with the fourth person in your team that is able to buy and refer three packages with $500 each, right? And if those people will again refer three people with 500 packs each, this will increase your earnings, right? So it's always multiplied by 3, 3 by 3 9, 9 by 3 27, and so on. So you basically have to build your structure in a certain way to accelerate your rewards, right? And we will make a special video to discuss the compensation plan, because some of the elements of this compensation plans are not as easy as it seems. Okay, so how to join? So SuperOne is a so-called Web3 blockchain-based service. So that's basically the next generation World Wide Web, and you need a Ethereum crypto wallet to join. So if you are joining SuperOne from your desktop, you can use MetaMask, which is basically an Ethereum browser, right? So you go to SuperOne, you enter your code, your referral code, and then it will ask you to sign in into your MetaMask, and then you will basically join, right? And then you pay your package with with MetaMask. You just replenish your account. You just hit deposit here, replenish your MetaMask account, and just pay the package, right? So again, we will do a special video on this one. If you join from your mobile, you can use the Trust wallet. So you can use various different wallets, but we recommend the Trust wallet. So actually, on the SuperOne homepage, there is a very comprehensive um, description of how to join, SuperOne, right? So how to install the MetaMask on your desktop. It's basically a Chrome extension, but it also works with Firefox and the Brave browser. That's the one I'm using right now. Yeah, so how to buy Ethereum. If you are an experienced crypto user, you probably already have Ethereum. Um, and you probably already have a Trust wallet, but if you don't, you can just click here to download it from the App Store and from the Google Play Store. And this is how it basically works. But again, you probably know how it works. You just basically install the wallet, you create the backup phrase, and then you're good to go. And you probably own Ethereum anyway if you watch that video. But if you don't, you can buy Ethereum from Coinbase, for example. And actually, in this particular example, it's shown how to buy Ethereum from CoinMama. Well, there are many places where you can buy Ethereum and pay with credit card whatsoever, or bank wire. And then the final step would be buying the package. So you basically go to your Trust wallet, you go to the browser, right? You go to the browser of your Trust wallet and you enter your referral link, right? So the referral link you will receive from your upline. So this is the browser icon here, you see, the second from the left, and then there will be a browser, yeah, where you enter the address at the top. You just enter your referral link, and then you hit join now, and your referral code will be pre-populated. If not, you just enter it manually, and then you enter your account, and then you hit buy spots, right? You hit buy spots, and you basically click to buy the package. And of course, you have to have at least $100 in Ethereum on your wallet to be able to buy that package. You can also receive instant notifications to your Telegram if if uh, if you want, which is optional. You just click on SuperOne bot, click on that link, enter your Ethereum address from your Trust wallet, of course, and then you will start receiving uh, instant notifications if you get a referral commission. All right? Yeah, pretty easy, pretty straightforward, and yeah. So I hope you liked our review, and if you want to learn more about SuperOne, if you want to join, if you want to be part of the community, we will be happy to welcome you in our team. And if you have questions, please join our Telegram group, and we will try our best to answer all your questions. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.